Welcome to Concept Channel.
Marketing of services in area of financial services. Financial services marketing refers to the collective use of marketing tactics employed by marketers in the financial services sector to attract new customers or retain existing customers. Marketing of services in banking. Here is an example of some of the products offered by Punjab National Bank to its customers. They are ATM network, 7-day banking, telebanking. Banks with more schemes and services have more depth than those offering only a few. The price mix in the banking sector is related to the interest rates charged by different banks. The most commonly used pricing technique is a going rate pricing. Factors affecting the location analysis of a bank are the trade area, population characteristics, proximity to other convenient outlets, proximity to public transportation, drawing time, visibility, and access.